Buenos diaz, dolphins. It's Wednesday, September 4th. It's also International Wildlife Day. I'm Antonio.
And I'm Victoria. We are your SRC counselors, and here is your ISP Elementary news. We will be meeting this Monday for our first SRC meeting where we will discuss issues brought by you. Please let your SRC counselors know if you have any topics.
Math testing continues on in elementary school. Make sure you are well rested by going to bed early and having a great breakfast.
On Monday, September 9th, there will be an assembly regarding our Breaking Down the Walls activities. It will begin at 9 a.m. in the PAC.
Joke of the day. When does your dinner never get hot?
When?
When it's chilly.
Ha. The random fact of the day is go. It is the shortest complete sentence in the English language.
Mindfulness quote of the day. A happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. That's it for today's ISP Elementary News. Have a wonderful Wednesday.